In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and resolve day trade restrictions in your investing account. Understanding what to do when you hit a day trade limit is essential to keep your trading experience smooth and prevent any unnecessary interruptions. So let's break down the steps you should follow if you ever encounter a day trade restriction. First, you'll want to access your day trade settings. To do this, start by logging in and clicking on your account icon. Once you're there, navigate to the Settings section. From Settings, find the Investing tab and then select Day Trade Settings. This area provides all the details you need regarding your current day trade status and restrictions. Within these settings, you'll notice your day trade counter. This is a helpful tool that shows you exactly how many trades have triggered the day trade restriction. The pattern day trader rule generally limits you to no more than 3-day trades within a 5-day period unless your portfolio meets certain criteria. Keeping an eye on this counter helps you stay aware of how close you are to the limit, so you can avoid unwanted holds on your trading activity. Next, it's important to consider your portfolio value because this affects the restrictions applied. If your portfolio balance is at least $25,000, the restriction will typically be lifted automatically on the next trading day. This means you won't need to take further steps. Just wait until the following day and you can resume day trading as usual. However, if your portfolio balance is below $25,000, you have two main options to resolve the restriction. The first option is to deposit additional funds into your account to raise your balance to or above that $25,000 threshold. With sufficient funds, your restriction will be lifted the next trading day, just like in the previous scenario. The second option is to switch your account to a cash account if this feature is available on your platform. To do this, go to your account page, select Settings, then choose Account Type, and look for an option to switch to cash account. A cash account is subject to different trading rules and will not be affected by the day trade restriction in the same way. While your account is restricted, you're not completely locked out of trading. You can still sell your existing positions. To do this, simply click on the stock you want to sell and then select the sell option. This process allows you to manage your investments and make adjustments even while the day trading restriction is in effect. If you've opted to use a cash account, remember that you'll need to wait for your previous day trades to settle before you can start buying again. Settlement typically takes a couple of business days, so plan accordingly. Once your trades have settled, you'll be able to make new purchases. By following these steps and monitoring your trading activity, you can effectively manage and resolve day trade restrictions, helping to keep your investing experience as seamless as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been useful for you.